afternoon and welcome to 12 o'clock news. My name is Mia and here's today's headlines. A whale was stuck in the River Thames and got safely tucked to the ocean. In India, thousands of people catch COVID. And finally, Mr. Willy Wonka sent 5 golden tickets to 5 lucky children to come and visit his legendary factory. Now we're going to pass it to Ethan, the news reporter.
Thank you, Mia. I'm joined by Mike TV. Mike, can you tell us how you got the golden ticket and how you feel?
Well, when I heard about the golden tickets, I started buying Wonka bars and I found it randomly. And I didn't feel that excited because I don't like chocolate, so what's the point of going to a chocolate factory?
Okay, now can you tell the viewers at home what you are most looking forward to?
Viewers at home, I'm on my way. Hi, Good Shepherd. Hi, Mum and Dad.
Going to Mike's mum and dad. So, Dad, who do you think is going to go with Mike to the factory?
I think his mother can go.
Oh, no. You can go because our son could be a little bit boisterous.
Thank you. So I'll let you decide. Now we are going back to Mia in the studio.
Stay with us because after a short break, I'll be telling you more about William the whale.